here at my brother-in-law's today, and he's getting ready to fire up his BSA for the first time in at least 10 years?
At least 10.
At least 10 years.
Gas on. Trickle the carburetors.
Okay.
Got a little tuning.
Yeah. Success, though.
Huh?
Success.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it running.
Yeah.
Yep. So now I need to probably take the carburetors off and clean them and make sure that the needles are set right and all that stuff. That don't sound too bad. It's backfiring a little bit.
Yeah.
It always was loud.
Yeah, it's loud. Alright. But you're going to put those different mufflers on it, so...
It'll even be louder.
Oh. Getting a ticket.
I'll probably ride in the country mostly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now those megaphones will be louder. I was happy to get started though.
Yeah.